This is the new Beyond Clean. What I want to show you is that there is somebody behind the scenes other than just me. It's Everett Johnson II.
Yes, it is.
You've seen him, well, maybe not seen him, you've heard him on the podcast just recently. He's got something to say while you look at him.
I want to let you guys know you have viewed our Twitter account 270 times this week.
Twitter. 270 times.
270 times, but it gets better.
Well,
Facebook, you guys have viewed us 400 times this week.
In 1 week, 400 times. I've been all over Facebook. I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and then on LinkedIn, we have over 5,700 views in the last 2 weeks.
Uh-oh, wait a minute. They are hitting us really hard. That's like 7,000 views that you guys have been hitting the information that just the two of us are putting out.
Yes.
Give them a big clap. All right, okay. So, how many likes, shares? You talk about that stuff all the time.
Yeah. So, also with LinkedIn, we also had about 60 likes and about 10 comments. Then also on YouTube, in the last week, we've had over 500 views.
Oh, wait a minute. Now you threw another one in there. YouTube. Gee, money, Christmas, we are everywhere, folks, and you're watching us. You know, one of the things, LinkedIn. Do I have a little bit of time to?
Yeah, you have plenty of time.
I got some time. I want to give a shout out to Larry Fagan. Larry, I know that you've been watching me on LinkedIn for quite some time. You know, Larry's retired. I'm not quite there yet.
Oh, no. At least 10 more years. 10.
At least more. Well, you got a little longer than that.
Yeah.
Anyway, Larry, you know what? He's with Fagan Janitorial Supply. I don't know where Larry's from, but most of our hits on LinkedIn are, where? New York or what?
New York, Pittsburgh is what?
Pittsburgh. Okay, all right. So, see, that's why I got him. He keeps me in line. Okay. Anyway, we were talking last week about disinfection, microbes, labeling, dilution control. Larry said something about those sticky floors. You know, you've walked into the restroom and you walk on it and kind of leave your shoe behind.
Oh, yeah.
So he was talking about how much people are using too much disinfectant on the floor. Well, you know, somebody else chimed in on LinkedIn. Brandon, I know he was talking about, you know, people that go and vandalize the dilution control system. Would you ever think of that?
No, not at all.
I mean, why would somebody do that? You know what I replied back? Rinse.
Rinse.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, if you use a disinfectant, rinse. But I like the best one. I'm going to save it for last. Because another person that was engaging that post was Jess. Jess has been on our show. He's even been here in studio with us.
Oh, yeah, I do remember.
Right.
Okay.
Our master's class. You know, Jess said, can you say pesticide? Yes, we can say pesticide. That's what disinfectants are. You know, we really are enjoying, the two of us, you know, all of the feedback, all of the conversation. Gives us something to talk about.
Every day, and we're going to do this every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
We're giving stats just for you guys because we appreciate all the work that you guys do.
Wow. I know what he's going to be doing during the week, putting all the stats together that you're providing. Yep. So every Tuesday, we have a time yet for it?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock on Tuesday afternoons, you're going to get a weekly report from Beyond Clean and all the other social media, I suppose.
Yep, everything.
Hey, for today, that's all we have to say. Join us next week where we will give you
the stats report.
The stats report.